In this video, you'll learn how to install Zoom on your computer or your smartphone when you are going to use it for the first time. It's quite easy and you only have to do this once, and I recommend you to do this before the important meeting starts. You probably received an invitation by email or WhatsApp to join a Zoom meeting. Click on the link in the invitation. This will open the zoom.us website. Maybe you get a pop-up window asking you to confirm that you want to visit zoom.us. Do this, and then here you'll be prompted to download and run Zoom. Click on the blue words to do this. A zip file will download to your computer. Just click it and then double-click the Zoom launcher where you saved it. After downloading and installing Zoom, you will be brought to the meeting automatically. When you are asked to write your name, be sure to add a suffix or prefix that shows the language you are willing to speak during workshops. So for me, this is English or Dutch. Check the option for Zoom to remember your name. Click Join Audio Conference by Computer in the window that pops up. You can choose to automatically join audio every time by checking the little box there. Be sure to immediately mute your microphone when joining the meeting by clicking the little icon in the lower left corner of your screen. On your smartphone, click on the link in the invitation. This will open the zoom.us website. You'll be asked to open the link with the Zoom application. Confirm this. If the application is not yet on your phone, you will be brought to the store. Here, download the application. Then go back to the invitation link and click it again. Again, you will be asked to open the link in the Zoom application. Agree and you will be brought to the meeting. When you are asked to write your name, be sure to add a suffix or prefix that shows the language you are willing to speak during the workshops. You will probably receive a couple of pop-up windows asking you to allow Zoom to use your microphone and camera and send you notification. Accept everything. Then you need to join the audio by clicking Call using Internet Audio. Be sure to immediately mute your microphone when joining the meeting by clicking the icon in the lower left corner of your screen. Watch the other videos to learn how to adjust your general settings and how to use the controls while you are in a meeting.